My name is Violeta Bulc. I'm from Slovenia, and I'm a commissioner for transport. Transport is a vital sector for development of single European market and for the global positioning of the EU. An average European covers a distance of 12,000 kilometers per year. An average European family spends up to 13% of their yearly income on transport. That is as much as on food. So affordable, reliable and available transport improves our lives. My goal is to create European transport seamless by removing all administrative and technical barriers. In the long run, I would like to create an opportunity for single ticket across all the modes. More than 11 million people, 1 in every 20 European workers is working in transport sector. But there is a potential for more value creation and employment opportunities. That's why European Union dedicated 26 billion euros of investments in transport infrastructure. In addition, President Juncker's 315 billion euros plan is also supporting the ambitious transport future. I'm proud to say that the European Union recognizes the importance and potentials of innovation in transport. 24% of private research and development expenditures is also dedicated to that. The European Commission allocated 6.4 billion euros for innovation in transport. All this is really important for the resilience and competitiveness of the European economy. Transport accounts for 32% of all energy used in Europe. At the same time, it generates 24% of greenhouse gas emissions. That's why I support the move towards least polluting and most efficient transport solutions, those that are friendly to the environment and have a sustainable nature. In my mandate, I will focus on digitalization, alternative fuels, electrification based on alternative fuels, and internationalization of European transport solutions. These are ambitious goals, but opportunities are huge. So I'm inviting you, the youth, organizations, professionals, member states and administration, to join me. Together, we can create a really great single European transport area.